Hello, my beautiful people. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you for the watch this my video. My people, as soon as know for this our channel, say we they bring gists. Apropos anything with no concern gist. Now with the land for this our channel. That's why you see this channel with the column. Apropos Saga TV. Anyway, if you don't see that channel, news and gist what they do for dear. My people, I beg, make una continue to encourage this channel by subscribing. Just subscribe. It don't take anything from you. Subscribe, put on your notification bell, like and share. I will also appreciate all of you when they watch our video, when they share our video, when also they like this our video. We really do appreciate you all. Okay, guys, I will leave una make una watch this video. This is our latest gist. May I leave una make una watch am. Okay, my people, I will see you now for my next video. Bye bye.
Is you ready? I really tried my best, like, to avoid you. All right? I've tried my best.
Okay.
Wagwe Sirawe Saga. Make sure you don't include my children in it. I want to warn you. I'm not pleading with you. I'm warning you to stay off my children. Okay? When you are doing saga with Sarah, make sure you please. You see, on social media space, I respect people's children. I don't know the kind of girls na me na. I don't understand. You might understand. I don't understand why that. Now that I have chosen to forgive Sarah, now you are bringing what Sarah did to my children in the middle of every of your video. Can you please stop this nonsense? Can you please just stop this nonsense? Is your body? Be warned. My husband is not happy with it. Are you the father of those children? Are you their mother?
No.
Don't you ever. Okay? Don't you ever. I don't know for you. I know why mine. Tell me no problem why. Why don't you people go and finish your therapy and just finish it nicely?
Okay.
What exactly is your problem? But you people, you don't remember every of your statements. Why you are not? You don't want to be accountable to them. Good morning, everyone. What exactly is your problem, Izzy? I problem where you have done this up to 2-3 times now. Stop it! I don't like it. If you want to saga anybody on social media, don't you ever be reminding and saying, if you know the Rita, if you say out the Rita, what's your problem? Is it now you want to remember me all those things? No, I don't the saga on yourself. Now you want to remember say what you say do no good. I'm on where you cocky ya move. And you where support you are not hating what you love. Hypocrisy of the highest order. I remember when I cried for this thing that Sarah said to me. You called in that platform that night and you insulted me. Even on top of the cry. My tears didn't mean anything to you. You felt that baby or see an enough here. But it's irritating you right now. You are crying and you are using my children as a tool to fight your saga. Is your body? What's your problem? Are you sick? Go take care of yourself. Are you mad? No, not living in the middle of your saga.
Okay.
There be no problem anyway. Have I ever called on your children on this social media? Either by mistake or even by words or by whatever. Have I done that one day? In my words, Yaku wa going to give you wagwa. Other for me man like it. Or irritated or so no. Or what will be money and stop it anyway with a great time easy. When we time I bump here try. Don't do it this time around. I've chosen to forgive Sarah. So let it be like that. Allow it to be. Wa here tell me retire. Oh, we no ye retire. Salon water. We anona. But e bi e. Asalo wo hu water. Abita salo wo hu water. What's your problem? Why are you people never careful of your statements when you are talking? What's your problem? Anytime why you always saga, you people just want to bring people on the emani sowa. They are not your age mates. You want to be using them as tools and throwing them around like stones. There be no problem way. Yesterday, somebody put it on my notice on my Facebook to say I should please allow Isi Ogbede to allow my children to be. But you're always now reminding me of how Sarah caused my children, of how Sarah said she will use straw to drink their blood. What's your problem?
Okay.
Why are you craving my attention? Easy. You have been craving my attention for a very long time. And I've never really answered you. I've really been avoiding you and you thought I'm afraid of you. David, who is he? What better out here, bomb? What's he? Oh, white and more white and not so what? David, no problem, you way. Oh, more Jesus, I've never really blocked you. Let me block you once so that you can get out of my platform. It's too early to negotiate nonsense with anyone. What's your problem? Is he everywhere? Oh, that for me, man, like he's angry about it. And I must tell you this. Oh, what here go make one? No, go make one. I'm gonna be your book and vigne. I'm gonna be Vivian in the middle. I will be money a big one. Enough of this nonsense. Ah, esaga here agweserau. Esaga no agweserau amagwe. Umanari ni retire eri.
Nine.
Good morning, my people. Everywhere, you might like it. Everywhere. Onona is one thing I will not repeat next time. Umemone, ubien your beg even one more share every. I guess you make me now. You salo boy in your way, see your bedze. Is that by every penebo me in your way, the mafia of your sana. La wo. La. I've been a minute go when we may.
Okay.
Iku wegua, eto awe mu me. Ebebo watie, gwa me nu wa wo gbere ebo. Wa hia no so wa ladian wa tie bo ne nu wa robio nu wa gbebe no gbomomo. Ofo nu wa na metin. Emi o be ro, awe na zegbe no me me gbise wa. Gweta me me tam wa. Pese just say me de lukuna. Now let una demand. Them not say me you back bay. I will be a captain. What problem wa? I got you web yaka dakeka. Eh? I got you web yaka keka. Okay, head no babu. Wa mo no so worry wa tebone. Why review why God wa no ho wa. She didn't talk bad about me. No, I didn't say she talked bad about me. But this time around, that I have decided to forgive Sarah for all she said about my children. I remember that night I was very hot. I even cried. I cried. I was hot. And me not tell me be me. Imagine Jerry miamiane. Imiamiane. You forget any. But it's your bed. These bloggers are distributing those things around, and it's making people to hear it and my family to hear it again. What for me go be have no sense in me go be ahon. E dey we a straw ya CV we say again. Why not age my name at any rate this time around there? Why can't you fight your fight without including people? I don't like it. All right? I know you want attention. I saw it in your body that you want attention. You ain't got attention gualo. Wa gwa attention la wo gwa lebe no ya gwa lo e no make na say wo boy in the right way. E legbe wi mere. Ima onu legbe mo ni bie. La wo we be bie ne we ne mo je. Because e bebo watene no so wa. We be mo gbe ne no ya ro bie ne la dia Facebook na ka jo this way. U ro bie be no ro bie momo. Iye we video ni message to easy. Have I done that one day? But it's begging no ya ro bie me. You might know we one day. You enjoy it when you do these things. Don't complain. Don't hate what you like. Hey, tell me no like. enjoy everything go minutes wa me boy at your bonum no say we. Enjoy rien we. Batting in we. Usati wa mwegbe, the next thing wa la video wa hian saga esera, Rita and the children must be included. I don't like that. Let it be a stop and a stop for today. Don't you ever include my children. I beg you in the name of Almighty God. I beg you in the name of Almighty God. Don't do it. Easy. This message, I'm addressing it to you. I've never addressed a message to you before. Because you always talk to me you know for how long you have been seeking my attention? There is no problem. Why can't you have patience? Okay, no, continue we stop. Somebody like me, with a social space, when it came here, Oni atama we tell you, uhia gbewa wa gboma wa. But wala dia money ma we mi ropa precious children. Now forget it ne, e mi need decide to give forgive or margin. Give forgiveness in nigga rob, your ma can we. It's none of your business. E ba wa do time me go vie joa. The nana mi asoni me via you weri e me ronati e bombe. Una robi e me va soni. Una robi e me va soni. When I cried to say, Sarah, you said you want to drink the blood of my children. They were celebrating to say, why are you not repeating it this time around? When I've decided to forgive her and move on. Fight your own. Do your own fight. Don't use my children to do this fight. I use it way man like or son make be. Because he a beggar how many left from booby you I would be try. Hey, Tamoe. Is it today that it happened? This one happened long time ago. Why are you people like this? You want to always be coming and be saying, and you forgot that those precious people are children. Damano telling me when I can go sisi. Away retard children. Oh, when we retard salon voter CBA. What way? They will not loho. That's the time we no magu. Don't ma tie compagnie avec we. Il bien parlement, il y avait no manger, il y a parlement, ou ma parla de rita la vivie. Every baby vive ye sagara panu. Take my children away from your mouth, is you bedi. Remove my children from your dirty mouth. Wabe biele yan era. Apo ave tama even no ya accept me no me concern vie. What biele yan era. Attention seeker. Attention seeker. Any ya kulo bugwa ne wa gwa le man attention wa with the other side. Wa gwa le no wa ya mi attention Uze ou ni abege wo ma mi attention. Egbi bi me hu we larea. Egbi bi me hu larea. Api wo biele yan me. Imaleke la wo. Esaga eserati we wo do we saga. E bi me ye di mido. Ya we saga be kina nati ewe. No na yo boya gwale me no ma gwalo we le rambi di hia. Ya we saga. Can you finish oge sera ne lao? Asalo bo ame do pa gbedo sagbe. Omo awa ladian, ibi rita. Ata le bibie ma ve ni ate bona. Ibi me ma gwalo evunu we. You get why? I don't want it. Ima de gwalo ato. Ku weke ya forgive you we ne. Kene ne sera I forgive any forgive wa ya ne wa kia. Go. And don't you ever talk about my children. On your pay, mini one no way, was a double dosa no bena. In your mirror, in no way. Why always aganu? Leave my children out of your fucking dirty stinking saga. Did you hear me, Zio-Bedi? Don't you ever try it anymore. Emon we be they are my children. Do if you feel like using your children to do saga, Luia, hey, Luogome, you're salo boy me away. About the social media do I give no mama. Do I have a way? You know when yes, it's sure you see, say give me a return. Don't you ever. Don't dare. That territory doesn't belong to you. I'll delete your comments for the first time, whatever. Even mwata na wa be no peace for the wicked. Mugbibi wa ba wa agbaleke. Don't block her, daddy. Leave her for now. That person. Let's just delete the comment and unblock her. Let's forgive her. If she comment nonsense again, I'll remove her. Mugbahu wa ba wa ye. Okay, here nu wa wu. Now somebody is saying I don't like this. This one is not a saga. I'm just warning her and I'm letting her to know. This one irritates me. La wo wo ima oni le yo to talk ewe. Ima dede o e do sa do ba no gbe na run divi me ma oni le yo to talk ewe je. O ma no me conscience so sa lo boy hin. Ima gwa le me no concern me be unu we. E wa no we. E wa no we. E mi no concern money bie. Ima gwa lo e unu we. O wi ya tu no mo ho e. O say na yo wi na la dia do tama we. Da o ye do hin. Unwe na awe ran ya zere ya we ya be na tete ni me veje. Lao, try to understand the message and stay off and get off my children. Area hu ma like eh or rema na ogwi yo bo dem egbe pa no bi sana. E na ye phone na we ni gu egun. E na ye phone na we ni gu egun anu la wo. Isije na yimi ya we jera na yimi ya we je work me bo me yimi ya we. My knees are on the ground. I am kneeling down. And I am begging you in the name of Jesus Christ of Nazareth. I give you wa we saga ni saga nuriri yawo. Ya here retave no we problem. You got attention go. I know how to give it to you or how to avoid you. But don't you ever in your widest imagination include my children. When the time we na I damn if I hear just now say you they do video, you they talk about, you they do video with Sarah, you they include Rita, I don't go vex me. But when I hear Rita children, like what?
Nine.
What exactly is it that you want? Or a lot when I go home for you. It's enough. Eh? No, why you let social media? You're making me. Back be back be within watch back monte. I might make be a down in watch no it be no saying. No etik bugbe no say yon ba be miam wa be avance here e ju wa be here if you ka be buba devil toto ni ado agbugbe yu wa hu yan re so bleeding yan is to ya de little very wa gbe yan mugbe yo no nyon okay cheers e mi no ma koro bagmo na wa zigbe o ta wagmo ye ma ya reva na e mi ne say la we pass on we a agba be video na bo so na we before e mama mi egbe na ro pa bo e de if you say gbe no gi Segbe nogi. Emi mana su wagbe wa ege mi dano. I'm not quarreling my people. I just want to say my heart out. Because if I say my demeanor like again, even me not every time, you know, cause I need I will not be happy. Because a mom anything. Because where are you no view no view you we saga no we expect ni jinya go beg no sensical video no mama video. Stupid video. A video no zoo abo bozu abo we. I will be we concern me. Every year you wear at all. Imakama when ready you because if you man agbe so one no man we be na hold de do gbe ri waje. Eri waje bu ni e. U tebe do gbe le video na mana mayaji. Okono ama ga ma olagwa. O waje be ri o. Wagama wagwa man wa le gbina no to gu wagwa no wa ya say ama. Okay. Aku wagwa ne be mi na tamu wa let have ku wa. Wa ya ri ase ebe na bebe na e choir chorus. Salopwa. Walking. Come and type video with Dario. In a way, when you are maybe next time you try. What a baby swing. I will whoa. Make one who you can show. Then the man keep bring my notice to it way. La wo mama imi again na. Nega yibi way I will saga or we saga. Imi I will not move. I be be can fien o sedete. You salo boy ni wa. Ola wo. Vivi me you we sagu ware. Abi fien o. Ka ke bi we o. Imi wa o. E do ba do sadak gbe na. Yera me ya imi wa ye we pe ne bo me imi wa bi fien o. Abi we o. La wo we o. If you may or win abo be for your ejoto. agi vinya ye saga we o imakporu no sugbo we when tama we na eni ya no gu yi be social media na to we ya ege no na asu no e wa na gun ege na imagine ni di we no gun me bege na no gun my favor man ni dey bo we or the favor of my children man ni dey bo we iwa yi mi awe I don't need it. I'm a liar. Can we not renege? Are you why not better than in la go? Why if you may saga my sister, if you know me about good dia hoel. Why would I bet if you not concern the irita? If you know me about my sister, would be hoye. Whether for good or for bad, I would be run tie. Stay your lane and do your things. Where to be any more precious here? Eh?
It's okay, she heard you.
All right. I don't like it. I've been hearing it. Rita children. You say you want to use blood, straw, they drink their blood. You say it's very irritating and psychologically, like it's disturbing. Very disturbing. Olohoi. Hey, drama, la wo, delay we ya. Mama more the pregnancy way. Dig me na honwe, Latiano doye cook me na demina my mie pour what day. On a new one. Latiano took me na I mean, my mie pour what my one on a one thing. Wakia saga, sis attention from where the berita dori da lare do we. Iko mana, irre problem. Don't you bomb even a biagu, ya vie na waketi e bone no so wa. Am I when you think he ain't got no? Then your pan on wow. I'm on work that time to share a video. I have it in account for sharing her video. I have an account for sharing her video. The only person I watch the server, I show her video. Wait, me have a statement in here. Have you got me a nebapana? Where me I don't know about baby, my man, not share her video. A pass it be when you want to have video return. Even maybe me, what I've decided to forgive and forgot. Forgive any. You give them problem with Sarah at all. Then I walk one, there's no one single problem. Everything she has done to me in the past is not now anymore. I'm not near body now. Only he wrong him on the yabo, me not ye we quemata. So why anything why me with say why are you was of what? Why are you in the middle of my children? Don't we home what you may do what you measure? Eh, now I can't be no so one man way. So they may not hear new thing. Me muhe saguwa bi muhe bibieka ni mana gu wegwa kadere adon wa to me eti mu anwe you understand me na so la gogo e go gbe damu no try on wa to me eti mu anwe o because magwa le me ni ato tama we no garama for life o la gogo o wa pa me no gbe ladian mu nu o wa pa me no e me dan ladian mu nu e mi ma ne me dan mu nu that do get control gberu nda ho e nda make na ye me ladian mu nu oni ofo awa hinya bege na veni ya nyaka ama mi egbu baba mon dey money you ni 7 lele rambiri here I saw this ama like e ama no BBA egbu ma like e uziambo when they retire BBA e bon ata you should have been a solicitor to me that time not now utie ve la video vi me viegi mi mega e vi nata mi vi ma una tie ve la video ni una ve insult mi una bae una mo bogbe me bata matie we yo makan we the Isagani man company on can way in any way. But you was busy jubilating and celebrating it. Anytime you have a problem with anybody on my can way, you always come out. Utie you wake it a ketchoni, who make sure go bomb me. Anything no come magwalo even where you should know that I want you to stay clear for me. Anything no come whether good or bad, the man need devil no way. Mwa igbina we no gwesera ya mwa outside no gbina fu cause who kwali gbina. O wa na je o wa na jigbina ke. Omo no kwali gbina o jigbina ke. Ya gbina ke ne saga na te we me kwa hia no ya gbina budo. When tama we na. I go gbe down we baby me. Get guy first and last. I try in your widest imagination. Because me bere if you waro pa igwe your magwa. Wo me o dame, if ye yo, iso yo o balome. First time ga no igba ugwe to bugu ya be ladian do we na. E said yo. De tu wa onu wa ladian straight nu do mo bogbe mo ni enu jevo. Ei la ko no avian you wezo. Ei vian you wezo. Ma elle kokore elle konare ladian wa be ne do kai. Just come out straight and say, Rita, I am here to come and insult your children. I am here to come and swear for your children and do it. A solicitor way. I don't want you to be my solicitor. Stay your own and mind your business. All right? Stay your lane and mind your business and be confident and comfortable with wherever situation that you are in.